Hi, my name is Samuel. I'm an interior designer and I'm a master of hiding. Do you know that there are many things that we try to hide? But what are we hiding? Why are we hiding? And who are we hiding from? Personally, I prefer to air my shoes after wearing them, but I don't like to see shoes lying around. It's better to hide them under the shoe cabinet. You can also hide the vacuum robot underneath. Wouldn't it be nice if you can control the lights with your phone? You can set different scenes or just simply choose which lights you want to turn on or off. Most importantly, we have different types of lights for ambience, general brightness, and for display. Remember to build a false ceiling to hide those ugly wirings. Make sure you build a nice cabinet to store all your stuff. The trick here is how to merge and blend those cabinets seamlessly. Can you guess where the toilet is? I like having hidden LEDs in the toilet. Feels cozier. Nobody would have thought there's a hidden room here. This shall be my playroom, where all the fun begins. There are many places to hide. I can turn off my lights with my phone. I can draw the curtains, pretend that I'm not here. Anything and anyone can be hidden. I am a master of hiding.